Hi kids. I wanted to review the words big and small. We are going to do comparisons this week about size for math. Let's look at the word big. As you can see in the symbol, it's pointing to the biggest square that's red. Let's look at some pictures of things that are big. An airplane is big. When you see an airplane go through the sky, it is big. And some of you have been on an airplane. It's bigger than a car. An elephant is big. An elephant is a big animal. It's taller than me. The ocean is big. Have you been to the beach before and looked at the ocean and seen the big waves? The ocean is big and beautiful. I'm going to move my face down. Maybe you'll see it better down here. A skyscraper is big. This building, this tall building that goes into the sky, that's a skyscraper. It's a big building. It's bigger than our school. Mountains are big. Do you see this big mountain? It's going tall into the sky. Mountains are big. We live in Mountain View, but we do not live in the mountains. A train is big. A long train, choo choo choo, is very long and big. It's bigger than a car. And some trains are bigger than airplanes. A whale is big. Some whales are the biggest mammals in the world. Whales are very big. A roller coaster is big. Whee! I've seen a big roller coaster at Disneyland. The sun is big. The sun is a big star that keeps us warm and gives us light on Earth. Now let's talk about the word small, how we describe things as small. And in this picture, the arrow is pointing to the smallest square, and it's red. Small. Which things are small? A fly is small. Well, maybe you've had a fly land on your arm. It's very small, smaller than the tip of your finger. Smaller than that. Raindrops are small. Have you felt the rain come down on your skin? They're very small drops of water. A pea is small. Peas are almost like a seed inside a pea pod, and they're delicious. But they are little tiny green balls. They are small. A pea is small. A penny is small. A penny is a coin that's very small. It'll fit right in the palm of your hand. A goldfish is small. So we looked at a whale, and a whale is big. It has to live in the ocean. A goldfish is small, and it can basically live in a cup if you want it to. Goldfish are small. Cheerios are small. We've had Cheerios before. They are tiny little circles. They're about the same size as a pea. Cheerios are small. An ant is small. This is another tiny creature. We saw a big elephant. And an ant is so tiny, an elephant wouldn't even feel it crawling on its body. An ant is small. Now, this is a book called Big and Small. I would like to read it to you as it has some good pictures about comparisons, things that are big and things that are small. Big. Some things are big. Big things take up lots of space. Mountains are big. Do you see how tall this mountain is into the sky? And a mountain is huge. It could take a long time to drive around a mountain. Mountains are big. Small. Some things are small. Small things do not take up much space. Buttons are small. We have buttons on our shirt. They are small. They are about the size of the tip of your finger. Buttons are small. Big and small. Big and small are opposites. A whale is big, a mouse is small. So let's look at the mouse and the whale. This is a big whale here and a tiny little mouse. Remember, a whale is so big that it has to live in the ocean. And a mouse you could fit in your hand. There's no way you could fit a whale in your hand. It would squish your whole body. A whale is big and a mouse is small. This rock is big. It is tall and wide. And you can see the person down here is much smaller than the rock. I'm going to circle this person. The person is small and the rock is big. These rocks are small. They are short. They are thin. Those rocks fit in the hands of the person. They are small rocks. So some rocks are big and some rocks are small. People can be big and small too. We talked a little bit about this last week. Adults are big. This ball is big and tall. But babies are small. So kids are often a lot shorter than adults. That's why I'm taller than you. I am bigger than you. All right, and I think now we should listen to a big and small song. And I'll take my face off to finish this part of the lesson. This is a really fun one we've listened to before.
English kids. Big, big, big. Small, small, small. Some things are big. Some things are small. Let's take a look. Is it big or is it small? Elephant. Big. The elephant is big. Mouse. Small. The mouse is small. Big, big, big. Small, small, small. Some things are big. Some things are small. Let's take a look. Is it big or is it small? Airplane. Big. The airplane is big. Ant. Small. The ant is small. Big, big, big. Small, small, small. Some things are big. Some things are small. Great job.